This tutorial review will show you how to add freeze frame clone trial effect with just one click. First of all, make sure to update the CapCut app. Then create a new project and select your video. Select the video clip and select style. And here select scene swap section, and here you will get this freeze frame option. You will get two different freeze frame options. You can select any of them. And here we can see the result. You can tap on adjust to change the times interval between two freezes. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.